Today, we will learn about two important mindsets that affect how productive you can be: the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. What is a fixed mindset? A fixed mindset is when you believe your abilities and intelligence are set and cannot change. People with a fixed mindset often think, I am either good at something or I am not. They may avoid challenges because they fear failure. They might give up easily and feel threatened by other people's success. For example, if you think, I'm just not good at math, you might not try to improve. This limits your productivity because you do not put effort into learning or growing. What is a growth mindset? A growth mindset means you believe your abilities can improve with effort and practice. You see challenges as opportunities to learn. People with a growth mindset keep trying even after failure and are open to feedback. For example, if you face a difficult task, instead of giving up, you think, I can improve if I work hard. This attitude helps increase your productivity because you keep improving and learning new skills. How mindsets affect productivity. Your mindset controls how you approach work and problems. With a fixed mindset, you might avoid tasks that seem hard, which slows down your progress. You may also get discouraged quickly. With a growth mindset, you stay motivated even when things are difficult. You try new strategies and learn from mistakes. This helps you become more productive over time. Changing from a fixed to growth mindset. The good news is you can change your mindset. Here are some steps to develop a growth mindset for better productivity. Recognize fixed mindset thoughts. Notice when you think, I can't do this or I'm not good enough. These are signs of a fixed mindset. Replace negative thoughts, change these to positive ones like, I can improve with practice, or mistakes help me learn. Focus on effort, not just results. Celebrate hard work, not only success. Effort leads to improvement. Learn from feedback and failure. See feedback as helpful advice, not criticism. Use failures as lessons. Set learning goals. Instead of only aiming to finish a task, aim to learn something new from it. Summary. To be more productive, try to adopt a growth mindset. Believe that your skills and intelligence can grow. Face challenges with curiosity, not fear. When you do this, you will work harder, learn more, and achieve better results. Remember, productivity is not just about working harder, but working smarter by believing in your ability to grow.